car. I got an Audi, and I remember driving it around the MCG because I saw the whole team sitting in the car at the back. You know, Sonny had got in, everybody had got in, so I started it. It started.
The reward is the Porsche 911. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Requesting all you to be seated. Thank you so much, sir. Yes. The award for the most valuable player, ISPL Season 3 is the Porsche 911. I'm sure many of you over here are onto the ISPL website to register, how to be a part of it, how to win the MVP, and then get your hands on that.